To show you how to update your leather setting from fireside red wine sipping spot to relaxed summer chilling, we've created the ultimate cowboy seat. Leather is the most durable material for hot climates, and our distressed range is like a well-worn horse saddle. In this masculine setting, we have drawn inspiration from the hotter climate regions of America. Think New Orleans, Texas, and New Mexico. Simple props such as the cactus art, light-colored fine rug, structural desert plants such as a yucca or a cactus, and a drinks table for creating those cool jugs of cocktails. Be playful with props and set the scene. Yeehaw!